There's a nail in the tire. Anyways, first thing you want to do is locate the nail in your tire or puncture in your tire. It's weed whacker day. Anyways, tools you're gonna need. You're gonna need an air compressor. You're gonna need a deluxe tire plug kit. You're gonna need some pliers. You'll pull that nail out, right? And a jack, because if you can support the weight of your car, then you probably won't break the bead. But I mean, if you have to jack the car up and take the wheel off. You gotta do what you gotta do. Cool, so I got it kind of up in the air. Now I'm gonna pull this nail out with some pliers. So. Hit the screw. Yay. So, you want to make sure you don't you want to ream out the sides of it. Even though it feels like you're just putting a bigger hole in it. I don't like doing this. Don't feel right. But you're trying to get the sides nice and smooth is what you're going for. Smooth. Okay. I'm gonna leave that there. It's just holding on, like living on a prayer right there. And then I'm going to prep my needle and my stubs. Anyways, you want to take your little turd thing right here. I'm gonna stick it through the needle of that thing. It's going to look like that. And it says to just douse it in rubber cement. So I'm going to take the rubber cement, I'm going to douse it in it. Oh great, it's on everything now. That's great. That's good. Okay, now the key, after you've doused this in rubber cement, is you want to go straight in, straight out. And you don't want to twist it at all, okay? So let's do this thing. Holy okay. I think I got it. We'll find out. Now once you're inflated, you won't cut off the excess. Gross. Good enough? We'll find out, won't we? Alright, well, it's Ben, and I showed you how to put a plug in a tire. See you guys. And before I forget, never, ever, ever try and repair a sidewall on a tire. Only do a plug on a tread. If it's a sidewall, you go get a new tire. That'll kill you. Okay? Don't be stupid. Don't be stupid.